and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video, I'm gonna do a video explaining you about one of the best NFT at the moment, which is the Lions Barber NFT. This video is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational and entertainment purpose only, so do your own research. All the links are mentioned in the description box below. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such videos. Alright, so this is the website of Lions Barber NFT Club. As per the website, Lions Barber NFT Club is a collection of barber-themed NFT with feline twist. With their trendy looks and unrivaled barbering skills, these cats are bringing some serious style to the blockchain. The mission is to build a fun, rewarding and meaningful community with a focus on promoting the mental health. So they are working closely with the Lions Barber Collective, which is a charity foundation that offers mental health training to barbers all around the world to help them achieve their goal. Along the NFT section, they also have exciting monthly giveaways that they will be launching, so stay tuned with that if you want to win free giveaways. They have 9,990 unique lions on the loose, each carefully constructed from over 400 hand-drawn traits, so there might be something for sure that you can find over here that's perfect for you. A little story about how the Lions Barber NFT was created. So for millennia, the pride lived peacefully in vast plains of sub-Saharan Africa. Because of their unusually luscious manes and fur, their society was built on barbering. So the better a lion skilled, the more influence they had. They were led by meta-lions, the 10 fearsome beasts who are able to tame the wildest mane. So one day, a few members of the pride went on a world-spanning expedition. They came back with reports like dark forces were lurking in every corner of the globe, affecting the mental health, ending lives. So the pride knew that they had to do something about it. So following the lead of Meta Lions, they spread out and traveled to different areas around the world. They set up cutting-edge barber shops to serve as their base of operations, and there they used their tools and voices to battle against the darkness and working together to help others and save lives. Also, to celebrate the launch of the event, they are also conducting a NFT giveaway. So they are giving like a bunch of unique Lions Barber NFT to the people out there who follow them. If you're lucky enough to win, they'll reserve an NFT for you until it goes live on the mint day. So if you want to stay updated on the next giveaways they are launching, you can follow them on Twitter, where they will post updates from time to time. They also have a whitelist draw. So when you join their exclusive whitelist, you will be able to buy one of the 990 lions currently up for pre-sale at a cost-efficient price. They would also be running competition in their Discord, so if you can also follow them on Discord if you would like to join the whitelist. Then we have Meta Lions. So basically the collections that they are planning to release soon, so we'll have more update on it. You can also join their Discord program to stay updated with latest news, announcement, giveaways and much more. So mods are also responsible for making sure that the server stays fun and supportive place for the pride to hang out. Mods usually have power to create invite to the channel, change nicknames, keep the conversation cup friendly, use all slash comments, banish troublemakers. So if you become a mod, you get access to exclusive channels such as whitelist, Lions Den, moderator channel. You'll also receive a community mod that everybody can see. So if you want to become a part of the mod program, just click join us and follow the prompts. Because of the fact that many men feel unable to seek help when they are struggling with their mental health, that's why this entire NFT is based on. So the collective, the charity foundation, basically hopes to reduce the stigma, and it also wants to raise awareness, offering a place where men can also open up about their mental health. Because of the conversational nature of their job, barbers are in unique position to spot symptoms of mental illness in their clients. The collective specializes in providing mental health training to barbers worldwide and teaching them how to provide their clients with a safe, non-judgmental space to share, open up and offload. So once their NFT will be fully minted, they will be donating $200,000 of the proceeds that they earn to the collective. So that's really amazing. It just adds a noble cause to this NFT collection, and if you invest in this NFT, you are basically helping them save the life of thousands of men across the globe by supporting the mental health. The team members over here are James, who is also known as Zuba. He's the CEO and the founder founder of the Lions Barber NFT Club. When we click learn more, we can learn a bit more about him. So after many successful years of buying and selling business, including one of the busiest hotel in the south of UK, James discovered a passion for trading, crypto, investment, commodities. The excitement and financial freedom made trading a rewarding career for James, and he continues to trade professionally to this day. Then we have Main FM. A little bit about him. The Main FM crew are bringing you the tunes you can really let your hair down or mane down to. Tune in and join them for dope chats, music, NFT hype. Then we have the Lila, who is the lioness. So the lioness career spans across traditional advertisement, publishing, online marketing, media. Her love for all things digital led to Microsoft in 2000, where she worked as an advertisement manager for many years. Eventually, she decided to follow her passions for health and well-being and became a fully accredited health practitioner. So that's a little bit about the team, and it's really good to know about the people who are behind the project, because that is something that actually determines the success of the project. So if you want to know a bit more about their team, who they are, where they are from, feel free to check their website. A little bit about the roadmap of the company. So 10% has already been taken care of. So the focus was on launching brand new website, whitelist competition, Main FM radio station goes live, completion of 9,990 Lion Barber artworks, and then the 20% is also done. So launching of the Discord community club, new members, Main FM launch party, the founders self-doxing, whitelist competition, announcing the fund allocation for the Lions Barber Collective charity, and all that fun stuff. The 30% is in progress, where the project is currently working on launching their merchandise, collaborating with DeFi, YouTube partnerships as well is something that they are working on. They are also working on conducting exclusive NFT giveaways, working on the Twitter space as well. So 40% of the project is still in progress. So pre-sale will be available exclusively for whitelist members only. Once that is sold out, $25,000 will be split between 5 NFT holders who will be picked on random basis. The Lions main public sale will follow. $25,000 will be split between people. 10 meta lions with extra special features and high staking rewards will be available, extremely high rarity ranking. Then there would be 990 Genesis lion, high staking rewards, high rarity ranking, and 8,990 Lion Barbers with staking rewards and rarity ranking. 50% would be $200,000 will be donated to the Lions Barber Collective charity, and every month from launch 1% of the royalties will be gifted to one of the holders, 1% of trading royalties will be sent straight to the community fund, and 1% of royalties will be again donated to the charity itself. 60% the tokenomics will be finalized. Launching of the club tokens will take place. They will launch the staking platform as well, and also the holders will be able to stake and earn. 70% they will be focusing on launching the Sandrock Trading Academy. Courses can be purchased with the tokens as well, and merchandise can be also purchased using their tokens. With 80% clients will earn high staking rewards, and if you own Genesis Lion and if you spend a certain number of tokens, it will also let you mint a client. 90% there will be purchase of virtual land in metaverse. They will be focused on building the Sandrock Training Academy within the metaverse, and they will also be focusing on building the Barber Talk within the metaverse. So there is no 100%. They will continue to expand and grow this project to help the community in future. Main FM is essentially a radio station which has like amazing music, podcast, and discussions related to NFT. Main FM was usually developed because they wanted to create a fun community atmosphere where everybody can, have their opinions and ideas shared. So when you hold a Lions Barber NFT, you also get a cup token in return of that, which would be paid directly into your wallet, and you can use these tokens to trade in markets and use it within the metaverse. And this is the Twitter page of Lions Barber Club NFT. They currently have a following of 5,175 people, so that's really cool. When you scroll through it, you're gonna see that they are conducting a really good giveaway right now. so definitely stay in touch with the community to know about the latest updates and the giveaways. Also, this NFT will be based on Polygon blockchain and it will be available on OpenSea marketplace. They will also have rarity scoring and rarity tools. So there will be 990 lions for guest list pre-sale and there would be 9,000 lions for Lions main sale. Overall, there would be 9,990 total supply of the Lions Barber Club NFT, and some of the things that would be included in their collection is meta lions. So meta lions are 10 completely unique meta lions which would be a part of it. They will have their own bio, unique character, individual music attached to it, and in parallel with the token launch they will be also building a staking platform, and the meta lions will earn one of the highest returns so far. And then there would be Genesis lion or generative art. So there will be 990 Genesis lion included in the collection, and Genesis lion will have like a special artwork and rarity scoring will also be quite high. Genesis lion can be staked and it will also earn a high return. Then there will be Lions Barber who can be staked as well and you can earn rewards on it as well. Then there would be a collection too, which is barbershop clients. The owners of Meta Lions and Genesis Lion will be able to burn the tokens to mint a barbershop client, or they can also mint it for the price on the day of the sale. Once all the NFTs are sold, $200,000 will be donated to the Lions Barber Collective charity, and it's kind of amazing to see the good that this project is going to do for so many people out there. So 938 hair professionals could be trained in life-saving barber talk, hair talk, beauty talk training to basically have safe communications around mental health and suicide prevention. And they will reach over 140k plus people each week, and over 7 million conversations would take place about mental health, which would make this project a lot more lucrative and purposeful. The LBC running costs would be covered for over 3 years or so, and over 50 pop-up barbershops could be held in universities, schools, workplace, festivals, communities, where they will be reaching out to the other people, also to the unreachable. They will be providing free haircut, a safe place where everybody can talk, and they will also focus on raising awareness for the mental well-being. They will be also buying 3 pop-up completely kitted out barbershop vans, and they will run them for a full year, reaching thousands. In terms of royalty, 1% of trading royalties will be donated to the charity monthly. 1% of trading royalties will be gifted to a lucky Lion Barber NFT holder on a monthly basis who will be picked at random. They will have barbershop community wallet which will hold funds ready to deploy to the community in terms of giveaways and events. So $50,000 will be split between 5 Lion Barber NFT holders after all the NFTs are sold, and then they're gonna ask community's feedback on how they would like the $50,000 to be split in the new year. They started this project basically to help fund the charity, and also in addition to build a community where everybody, all the members can speak and feel a part of something. So not everybody in the community is going to buy an NFT, and not everybody is going to be in crypto or investing, but everybody will have a place to chat through this platform. They have also created an online training academy where they aim to be an honest traders who's going to guide students through low risk strategies, crypto, NFT, forex and commodities, and that training is known as Sandrock Training Academy. In terms of tokenomics, the cub is the token that they will have, which will be subjected to change, and after all the lines are sold out, they will be creating their own token, and they will allow tokens to be purchased on the website itself, and tokens will be available for stake, and you can earn for up to 10 years until the supply runs out. Total supply would be 999 million, and tokens can be earned through the way of staking. They will have their ROARSOME community, which is basically a project that they started to help fund the charity, and in addition to build a community where the other members can speak, talk and feel a part of something, because not everybody is going to be into the world of NFT or crypto, but everyone will have a place to chat. The barbershop community wallet is basically a community wallet that will hold funds ready to deploy to the community in terms of giveaways and events. $50,000 will be split between 5 Lion Barber NFT holders after all the NFTs are sold. sold, and they may eventually ask the community on how they would like that money to be spent. So that's it about the project. Overall, this project looks quite promising because it is attached to a good cause, which is to help people to come and talk about their mental health, and that is one of the aspects that I really admire about this project. So if you're somebody who believes in supporting the mental health, then you should definitely check out Lions Barber NFT. I really like this project, and I like the fact that it is trying to help the community, and that's why I feel this project does have a promising future. Definitely check out all the links mentioned in the description box below. Please don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe to watch more of such videos. I shall see you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.